Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at one of our new vehicles from our inventory. It comes equipped with Sync Communication System, Bang & Olufsen Premium Audio, Sync 4A with enhanced voice recognition, heated front seats, auto high beam headlamp control, speed sensing steering, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, keyless entry, alloy wheels. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Rd in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.